Hey everyone, want to add Google Fonts to Webflow? In this video, I'll show you how to add and use Google Fonts in Webflow step by step. First, open your Webflow dashboard and sign in to your account. Open the website project where you want to add the font. Next, open the asterisk designer and select the text element you want to customize. Now go to the font settings and check the available font options. Webflow includes many Google fonts that you can apply directly to your project. Use the search option to find the Google font you want, then select it for your text elements. Next, customize your typography settings, such as font size, weight, line height, and letter spacing to match your design. If you need a custom font setup, you can add Google Fonts through project settings or custom code options, depending on your Webflow plan. After applying the font, preview your website and check how the text looks across different pages. Finally, publish your website and test it on desktop and mobile devices to make sure the font displays correctly. And that's how to add Google Fonts to Webflow. With the right typography choices, you can create cleaner and more professional websites. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.